my dollars make it hurt.
Now, welcome back to part 2 of this 2020 paper 3-1 and web authoring summer paper. We are doing, just you can see on the top here it is. Now, question 10 onwards we have to continue. We already opened the style sheet and we have to edit as per this. So here all table borders have a width of 0 and grid lines are separated. See, grid lines are collapsed and grid lines are separated. So these two are of the same attribute values. So that is border collapse. So that will mention manually in style sheet, but what we can do through this menus, through this GUI, all table borders have a width of 0. So width 0 we can take, and all cell spacing within the table is set to 20 pixels. This is table spacing. We call it, it's a border spacing we call it of the table. This is called border spacing of the table. Okay, 20 pixels, and the background color of the table is a black. All tables are center aligned. That is nothing but the alignment. Yes, alignment of the table. Okay, in the browser, and there is no cell padding. This cell padding is not for table. It's not of table tag. It is of TD, tables data no specification. Okay, of that. Fine. So that will, this one will mention separately in TD tag, but in under table tag we are going to get till here, till the browser, all this. Fine. One is the width we have to set, grid lines we have to set, border spacing 3, background color 4, and center align, and also the text align. So total 6 attributes we are going to set for tag table. Okay, now let's start. I'm just going to delete this fully. See, vertical align, middle, text align, center, these are fine. Okay, I can just continue with this. Okay, that is nothing but what we have in the question paper is this one. All tables are center aligned in the browser. So for that, this is the one. This is the one will do. Okay, so we can just continue by just comma. Here is not a semicolon, it should be a comma. Fine. Now let's go for another one, another specification, that is from format style. I'll go for the what is that, the width of the border. Okay, I have to go for table, modify, under format I have to pick the border and just take a box, and here it's given 0 1, but make it 0, and there is no padding anyway. Okay, just delete all the stuff from that. Fine. And another one, shading, background color, in this we just pick the black as it is set. Okay, now 2 we set in this. Okay, now what all we got, just let me highlight them. This one, borders have 0, width 1, and I got a background black, another one, and the center aligned in the browser is also done. Okay, now what's left? Grid lines are separated and border spacing I have to do. Okay, let me go back. So border spacing, see here you can just give a One second. Yeah, you can give a semicolon as well. Okay, let's give semicolon there itself. You can give a semicolon there. Okay, we can just mention it further. Border spacing, colon, you can just give a colon, and 20 px. Okay, and one more, what is that? The border collapse, colon, it is now separated. Okay, separated. Now what else left? So I got 1, 2, 3. Here we got vertical line, border style, solid, center. Yes, all this. Okay, all done. Let me just check over here. I said this one, border collapse, and this one, border spacing as well. Border spacing of 20 pixels. Okay, all done. Now I have only this of TD, cell padding. Okay, I'll go for next tag. This is done. Come out of it. Here, now just let me go to format, style, HTML tags, and TD. Now, fine. Under this, go to borders, and we have to go for the padding. Okay, so 0, 0, 0, and all the way 0. Okay, that's it. Okay, okay, and okay. Here is the one. Okay, this is done. It's save in between. Now what's next in the question paper? This is also done. Now the background image 23.1 is set to repeat to fill the browser window. Fine. So here is the one where they want to see a background picture for the web browser. So background image in the web browser means we have to set that in the body tag. We have to go for body tag, format, style. Now I have to select the body. Where is that body? This is the one. And here under this border, shading, and here is the background. Can you see the background picture? Browse and BG over here. BG, and see here repeat. So just select repeat. That's it. It will be repeated to fill the browser window. Fine. See here X in the sense it goes horizontally, filling up horizontally, and voice just vertically it fills up, but repeat fills up the whole browser window. Okay, this is the one. Okay, okay, okay. Now this is done. Next, in the question paper, this also done. Styles H1, H2, H3 are green and have the font CG something. Okay, and if it's not available, then Verdana, or if neither of these fonts are available, the browser's default sans serif. So let me go for this, and here further more for H1 is set to 36 points high, H2 14, and H3 12. Okay, let me just start with H1. Open this, come to the next line, format, style, open HTML tags, and H1 I have to work right now. Here I have to go for the font. What is the font there? Something where something, yeah, it's available for me, so I'll go for it. Then the size is 36px pixels, and color is there. Color, see, here is the color. Color is pure green. Just go for more colors and just click there. There shouldn't be any other content. See, it's clearly given with no red or blue components at all. Means, yeah, it should be 0. So look at this one you can go for. Yeah, something is there here. See, this also you can go for. See, here the component of red and blue are 0 0. Also you can go for this as well. Okay, fine. Okay, okay, and okay, done. So just to put it there in the order. Now I'll go for H2 in the same manner. Format, style, here HTML tags, and I'll go for now second one to H2. Now under font, we have we're done or something. Okay, that's available. Then go for 16, I guess 16px, and the color is all the way green. For all it's green, right? Select this. Okay, okay, and okay. Okay, H2 is also done. Now third one, H3, we have to go for HTML tags, H3, modify. In this I have to go for the font over here, where done or something. Here it is. And what is the size? Size is 12. Oh, that's 16. I said I'll change that. Okay, 12px, and the color is exactly the green, this one. Okay, okay, done. Okay, this is done. H3. Now this is actually 14. Okay, all done. Now what else we have to do? Whole thing is done. Whole thing is done over here. Now add your name, center number, and candidate number as a component at the bottom. Comment as a comment at the bottom of the style sheet. Okay, here as a comment we have to type in. Save this style sheet in your TGC folder. Okay, we already have saved it. Now here is the one. I'm going to write the comment as a my details are as a comment. Just take one / like this and a star. Now continue typing your details. Center, number, and candidate number. This is a way of mentioning the comments. Okay, then star, then / this is called comment. Okay, if you just mention your details between this pair of symbols and just save it. They told us to save, and we have to save in our folder. Okay, this is all done. Come to the question. Take a screenshot of the contents of your style sheet. Okay, we're going to take a screenshot of this. Okay, let me just go and take a screenshot. Okay, just press print screen button and just take a screenshot like this. Copy, and what is the number of the screenshot? Evidence 2. Open yours and come over here. Evidence 2. Okay, save. Okay, we'll save it later. Now come to the question back. Evidence 2 is done. Display the web page in your browser. If necessary, resize it so that the page can be seen, all text can be easily read, the address bar is visible. Okay, so I have to display the web page in the browser. Where is my web page? This is the web page. Wow, it's being added. Whatever I edited the style sheet, it's being added over here. See, the border collapses separate. See, this is what the borders. Okay, borders means the cell looks separate. It's not connecting to the other cell. I have to open this in the browser, preview in the browser, and take any one, the first one, and we have to resize it in case if it's not visible. I can just minimize, sorry, a little bit, reduce the zoom to just view the whole stuff. Did I do that? No. It's really small. I can mention like around 60. No, I'll just increase it to 70. Yeah, now it's fine. Okay, what I'm gonna do, all the page can be seen, all the text can be easily read, the address bar is visible. Yeah, everything, no, where is my web page? Over here. Okay, everything is clearly visible, right? Now what I'm going to do next, this is all done. Place in your evidence document screenshot showing the web page in your browser. Okay, where's my browser? Just I'll take a screenshot fully of it, the whole thing, the address bar and all should be seen, address bar and all should be seen. Okay, and just go to your evidence here, and this will be my evidence, evidence 3. Okay, this should be my evidence 3. Yeah, this is a web page. Look at that. Perfect. Now let's go to the question. 3 is done. 3, and come here. Evidence 4 is take a copy of the display the HTML source in your editor, and take a copy of the HTML source and place it in your evidence document. So when you're going for this, the source of this, see the source, this is called a source. The whole code is mentioned over here. So you can see the style sheet and all, everything. Just now we have to copy this. Just Control A and Control C. Now let's go to our this evidence, and this should be, I guess, evidence 4. Evidence 4 it is. Now I'm gonna paste this like this. Everything is pasted. Now what I'm gonna do is I have to highlight some the tags over here where I worked really hard. Literally I worked. See this one, attaching the style sheet, I have to highlight it. Okay, just to highlight that. And I added a lot of images as well, right? So that image, wherever the image is there, you can just highlight it. See, there's a one, home, and highlight. Another image as well, I added that, home, and highlight it. Image over here as well. Yes, this is my hard work. I'm just gonna highlight to view by the examiner clearly. And this one as well, home, highlighted. Okay, done. Fine. So this is my evidence document. You can just format this all of these bit so that they look better. Okay, so this is our evidence. Now let me see furthermore evidence 4. At printing the evidence document, you need to print the evidence document. Make sure you're going to have all this stuff. Okay, this is the end of your web page authoring. That's of paper 2020 3-1 summer paper. Okay, thank you.